Hello everybody, my name is Finn. Welcome back to my channel. I make the DIY fashion and sew tutorial every Thursday at 8 p.m. Remember that. Well, today I have the inspiration from Lisa Blackpink in the song Lalisa with the red jumpsuit shot. So it's pretty pretty and cute. So that's why I'm gonna show you how to do it today. These are all material I'm using. Before then, click subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you will never miss out on a new video. Firstly, I would say main material I'm using is handkerchief for total 11 set, 57 cm long, 57 cm wide for the size 6 US top and 8 US short. See below here for description. After I press the glue fabric because I love how the fabric is smooth in the finished product and many high-end brands using this. After I lay out the pattern, this is the first thing that you have to concern because the handkerchiefs have so many design patterns. So this why front left body match with front right body, back left body match with back right body, and side seam curves match each other as well. After that, I tracing the pattern by using the carbon paper transfer or marking dots and center front and center back line. Well, before then, let me clear about the PDF file you can download at link below or see more style at elite.com, or you can set the printer and see here. After we cut out already, I will finish the seam edge with the serger. In this case, I using the computerized sewing machine and shoot the stitch number 10 inside the serger machine. Well, I super recommend you to buy this computerized sewing machine if you are new here. If you start sewing something, so computerized sewing machine have all options, just for example, serger. Later, I pin all places, front body, back body, pin all darts in one place for top, and again do same thing for the short. Let me talking about short because it's super difficult for the new. Well, you separate where the front part and where the back parts, and front body pin the center front together and back body pin the center back together, and side seam goes with front body and back part. Later, inner side leg edge left front with left front with left back, right front with right back. Then it's sewing time. Stitch all around with pin. Later, I press all seam open after I sew. It's all done. Later, I will skip facing because I have professional iron. It's all good, but I press the waistline and I hem the top and hem the short with the 2.5
After we
seam
done
allowance.
hemming the waistline of the top and waistline of the back, then it's time for adding the zipper to the back of the short and the back of the top. Well, let me talking about the type of zipper we most use. The first one, open end zipper that we most use on jackets, sweatshirts. We need to separate the end to open your jacket. The second one we're using right now for the back of the short is invisible zipper. We sew it to my garment. There are no trees showing outside, so it's pretty nice. And the last one is close end zipper for the top. Well, overall, I use this zipper fruit, the same one. Later, I'm gonna show you how to make it. The first thing that you to do is measure your zipper size, and for me, it's 23 long. After I find the zipper position and mark 22 long with the chalk, and I decide to stitch loose in the zipper position at the back seam line from the top short to bottom 21 to 22 cm. Later, I shoot tight stitch at 22 position as we mark and tight stitch as normal, and stitch twice to make sure it's perfect, not to break. And later I remove the loose thread and press the seam around. Later, I pin the zipper coil along the seam line and sew the left side and the right side of zipper sew in place until 24 cm longer a little bit, and stitch down each side of this invisible zipper with coil along the seam line until 22 cm mark position, then stop. And it's done for the zipper section. Later, it's time for sewing the sleeve to the armhole. So the first thing that I sew root stitch for 3 times top edge sleeve and 2 times or 1 time to the end of the sleeve. Now we pull the thread to make it ruffle and make sure it fit to the armhole's edge size. And I'm gonna sew the first sleeve section and the second sleeve section together. After, I'm gonna pin sleeve to armhole and sew it to the right side and the left side of the top. Well, in this case, if you cannot make it fit, so you can make a mini ruffle or maybe big ruffle until make sure that it's perfect fit to armhole. Now it's time to sewing. So this is the final look that you're gonna get. It's cute, it's pretty, and for you, if you want to be the brand new Lalisa next song, just let me know. And yeah, so if you have the new style that you want me to do, leave comment below and enjoy my video for today. Bye bye.